Hey, what's up, guys? It's Billy and Anthony here. It's the S2K guys. We got Anthony. He's about to hit you with the mod of the day.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got the Renegade Motorsport short shifter kit purchased from Renegade. It took about 3 months to come, but it's finally here. We're super excited to get it on. So we'll show you an install video of removing the OEM shifter and installing the Renegade one. So let's get to it. Hope you like it, and let's start. The tools you're going to need is just a 10mm socket with maybe a 6-inch extension and a ratchet, a flathead, and yeah, everything else is provided with you in the kit. Alright, undo the stock shift knob. This is held in by a 14mm nut. Just loosen with a 14mm wrench.
That's Leo.
Yeah, that's Leo. He's a guard dog. So all you're gonna do, AP1, AP2 is the same. The center trim just pops up. So you're gonna just pry up on the right corner in front. Same with the left top corner. Just pry up all the way towards the back. And there's gonna be connectors, electrical connectors for the roof and the hazard switch. You just gotta make sure you unplug it. And then pull this carefully off. Alright, so in these locations, I don't know if you can see, but there's little arrows at around 1, 4, 8, and 11 or 10. You gotta pry from the inside of the white ring out to get this ring off. And pry up. Do that in all 4 locations. Pry up.
Oh, real nice.
You might have to move your shifter into gear to get into the others. Pry up. There you go.
Bang.
Wiggle it off. There you go. I don't know if you can see, but that little arrow there, here, there. Alright, so once you had that white ring removed, this rubber piece sits just like this with this tab at the top. You're going to pull up on this tab to expose the 3 10mm bolts underneath. So, and now you're going to want to remove all 3 10mm bolts. Hold the shifter bolts. I removed all 3 of the 10mm bolts under this rubber cover. So on before you remove the last 10mm, push down on the shifter to relieve the pressure of the spring, as if, like, you know, you're gonna put the shifter in reverse, and then slowly lift out the shifter. And I would have a paper towel or some type of towel on hand because of the old grease. Alright, so this is the old shifter. As you can see, old grease is everywhere. So we're going to take this and put this aside, and that's that spring I was talking about. You just leave that in place, and once you're ready to put in the Renegade shifter, it's just going to go pop right on top and push it down. Alright, so we're going to grease the shifter with the provided grease in the kit. Grease the ball here. Like I said, you want to have some towel or paper handy in hand because grease will get everywhere. grease all the contact points. Grease all up in here.
So greasing the shifter bushing and the actual ball.
This is the Renegade upgraded shifter bushing, which you can also buy separately. My man Billy over here actually bought it, so we're gonna show you an install of just the bushing to see if that makes a big difference over stock. This is the riser that's provided in the kit. It's marked this side up, so make sure this is facing up in the up position. But it only goes on one way, and there's a little notch on the shifter itself and on the riser, so
Comes from underneath.
slide this through. Greasing up the whole shifter also makes it a little easier to slide up. And then you're gonna, again, this is where a towel or paper towel comes in handy. And then this is the top little washer that says top, so make sure that's on the top. And it also only will line up with the holes one way. So, all right, let's. They provided you longer 10mm bolts with the kit, so make sure you use them because the OEM ones are too short and you won't be able to bolt it up. All right, let's install it. So you want to push down on the shifter as if you're compressing the spring and tilt it to the left.
I got you.
Okay, and thread on the 3 new provided 10mm bolts by hand.
You can't use the original, correct?
You cannot use the original because, let me show you. This is the original, and this is the new one. So the original ones are too short and will not. You won't be able to thread the shifter down. So, and I wouldn't use any power tools on this just because the fact these are only supposed to be torqued to like 7.2 foot-pounds, which is very little. Very little torque, so you don't want to over torque them and snap the bolts. So once the shifter is installed and torqued, you can remove this rubber thread guard.
This overall is pretty quick, probably like total 20 minutes maybe, if you know what you're doing, which after this you will.
Yeah, I mean, fairly simple. Alright, and then I got the stainless brush countersunk knob. And this is just a test fit. We still got to put back the... Ooh, look at that.
Ready.
It already feels nice and short. Ooh.
Go ahead, show them how long the throws are. Wow. Wow. Woo-hoo. You can see it looks like almost about, how much less does it feel than stock?
You could definitely notice a big difference. It's a lot shorter throws. Feels more rigid and more like a race car. Alright, so now that we test fitted that, we can put back the center console trim. Alright, so once the shifter is installed, the 3 10mm are torqued. Now you put back the white ring with the rubber grommet, and they just clip into these 4 spots on the car. Fit this back down there, slide it in place, and should just pop right in. You literally just popped this back into place, and now you can put the trim back on. Slide that down, connect your hazard switch and the roof. The roof.
2 buttons, simple and clean. She's on. I think from stock, it's definitely shorter.
Yeah, it's definitely shorter in height as well.
The knob's also countersunk from Renegade.
It fits on the stock shift boot pretty well. So eventually we'll upgrade the shift boot. Renegade has these nice Alcantara suede shift boots, and they now provide an Alcantara suede armrest cover. So yeah, the feel is just amazing now. Can't wait to drive it.
Hey, what's up guys? Bill and Anthony just wrapping up the short shifter, and let them know how everything went.
Oh man, couldn't be happier. The install went pretty smoothly and it was pretty simple. So we're about to go take it for a road test and see how it compares to the stock shifter. But hope you guys loved the video. Please like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at the SUK guys, and see you on the next one, guys.
See you later, guys.